Good morning, students. From the Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 2, the tsunami. In this unit, I have explained the first part and the second part. Now comes to the third part. I am going to explain by line or paragraph. Now I start the reading. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. Now talk about our country and our nearest country. Now talk about the India and Sri Lanka. Before come to the giant's wave hit into our coast area, in where India and Sri Lanka's coast area. Wild and domestic animals already seem to know that what will be going on. So they prepared themselves. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelter and could not be enticed to come back out. So, some animals ran for the safety areas. According to the eyewitness, someone who report this, they see the elephants shouted, screaming, and went to the higher ground. They want to save themselves there in higher places. Now comes to the dogs. Dogs refused to go outdoors. They were safe inside the house. So they refused to go out. Now comes to the birds, the flamingos. Flamingos left their low-lying breeding areas and went for higher ground and fly somewhere else. And the zoo animals rush into their shelter, not coming out. They were safe inside and refused to come back out. Now the second paragraph. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. So many people believe that the animals have sixth sense. We have sixth sense, but we could not use our sixth sense. But animals use it, their sixth sense, and they will know what will be going on. So the animals already know that the earth is going to shake or tsunami will come. So some experts believe that animals have more acute power, hearing power than us. So they can feel the vibration of the earth. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize. They already knows what will be going on or what is the going on. Now comes to the paragraph. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. The human being cannot be sure whether the animals have sixth sense or not. But the truth is that when the giant wave came in the sea coast area of India and Sri Lanka and many other, the dozen means the 12 countries, there were people killed more than 150,000 in dozen countries, but there weren't had report that there were many animals have been dead. So animals have the sixth sense, but we cannot show it. Now next paragraph. Along India's Kadalur coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. So, in the Kadalur coast area of India, there were thousands of people of perished, no one being there. In that area, buffaloes and goats and dogs were found unharmed. There, these animals, buffalo, goats, and dogs, they were saved, unharmed. Now talk about the national park. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Pattanangal beach inside the park. But no animals' carcasses were found, except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Pattanangal beach. Now, talk about the Sri Lankas near the Indian Kadalur coast, where the 1,000 people perished. Buffalo, goats, and dogs were unharmed. They were safe. Now, talk about the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. In their home, there are so many animals, variety of animals, including which animals? Elephants, leopards, and many more. And talk about the bird, 130 species of birds. There, they were going to safer place, and they were no harm. But what happened? 60 visitors came to see these animals and birds. They were washed away from the Pattanangal beach inside the park when the tsunami occurred. But no animals' dead bodies were found. Only the 60 people's dead bodies found, but no bodies. Only the 2 water buffaloes, hippopotamus, water buffaloes, they were found as dead. About an hour before the tsunami hit, before the 1 hour, people at Yala National Park, they were seen. What they were seeing? 3 elephants. They were elephants, means they were running away from the Pattanangal beach. 3 elephants running away from this beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gal said his 2 dogs would not go for that daily run on the beach. They were usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Now talk about a Sri Lankan person who has 2 dogs and lived in coast area in the Gal. What he said that his 2 dogs usually go to the beach near the water, but when the tsunami came at that time, they were refused to go out and they were safe inside the house. So what? The man and the 2 dogs, they both were saved. Not only the dog saved his life, but also saved the owner's life. So this is the story of the 3rd part. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.